it's raining on snow, but that's not the only problem. The only problem is that we're gonna have like super strong winds with like gusts up to 60 miles an hour, so 90 kilometers per hour. So that's a lot. So I went outside and I put away everything like the trash, shovels, the cover for the fire pit. I didn't film because I'm charging my phone at the same time. So I removed all that can like fly away, and I blocked the door, the outside door that's broken. I tied it, and we'll see how it goes. Hopefully we don't have an outage, because that's what they are saying. Widespread outage, so hopefully no. I'm rushing to finish the laundry like last time. It's just because of possibility of outage. So I have a full load.
2:51 p.m.
Good afternoon, Berkeley Heights residents. This is Mayor Angie Devaney calling with a storm update. Beginning around 5 p.m. today, we are expecting high winds and heavy rain. Thunderstorms are possible overnight into mid-morning Wednesday. With the already high water levels in the Passaic and our water table, flooding in some areas is likely to occur. Weighted barricades will be put around known flooding areas on streets and sidewalks. Known areas of past sewer blockages have been cleared. Known flooding areas have been addressed as far as storm drains have been cleared. And sewer crews will be walking our pipelines today to visually check for any evidence of issues. However, for as much as the township is doing, there are certain activities we request residents undertake during storms and excessive rains to ease the burden on our strained infrastructure. Most notably, we are asking residents to reduce toilet flushing and water usage. Minimizing usage during times when our groundwater levels are high, like they are now, help maintain lower sewer levels during storms. This simple step can help prevent sewage backup. Keep the following in mind as you prepare for and weather the storm. Charge all devices you may need during a power outage. Check flashlight. If you have a generator, make sure it is in good working condition and has adequate supply of fuel. Verify your sump pump is in working order ahead of time. Lock your car doors and keep outside lights on at night to deter potential intruders. Report power outages directly to JCP&L. Have the report an outage phone number and or website handy if you need it. Reserve 911 calls for genuine emergencies. This allows emergency services to focus on critical situations and respond promptly to those in need.
So it's super torrential, so I'm going to bring up the drum set. That's the only stuff that's kind of risky here. Okay, first part of the storm was the rain, so I'm gonna check the basement. Yeah, it's dry. Dry too, that's good. Oh, good. This pump held up. It's new though, that's maybe the reason. And the critical part is here. You can hear the pump stop though. It's not wet here. And another spot that's usually wet. Open the door and check. So far so good. So far so good, no water. Okay, we're good. Now we have the wind to deal with, so the whole day is going to be super windy. That's part 2 of the same storm. First was the rain and then the wind, so... And the electricity didn't fail, so that's good. Let's hope it stays like that, because we need the pumps, that's the problem. All of the snow is gone, of course. A couple of branches, that's how it looks. Now we are in the wind phase. And in the front, is how it looks. A couple of branches and that's it. Everything seems intact.
Wednesday, 11:40 a.m.
Good afternoon. This is the Township of Berkeley Heights with an important public service announcement. We are asking all residents to please continue to reduce toilet flushing from now through the weekend. Our sewer system is completely overwhelmed with stormwater and high Passaic River levels, and more rain is expected Friday night. Unfortunately, this is not uncommon. Sewer backups can occur in any town when we get this much water, but we are trying to be proactive to protect our residents' home and township infrastructure. Together we can make a difference, and your neighbors with basement toilets and sinks will thank you. Thank you so much for your cooperation. Have a great day.
Look, the reminder of the snow we had past Saturday. Look at the sky, so grey. And it's 13 degrees, it's 7:52 in the morning, and it's 13 degrees, it's going up, and then it's gonna be super windy. That's why the trash cans are off, are put away, and then super windy. We have wind gusts that are crazy. Supposed to subside around 6, so 2 more hours with this wind. So I'm leaving the water running because the feel like is gonna be -11 overnight and it won't go up above -4 tomorrow. The feel like, and the real temperature will be negative. It won't be in positive until 10 days or something, and the feel like is going to drop on Wednesday like -15, -18, so even -11 and not going up during the day. I don't want to risk it, so